Hey, and welcome back. We're on episode 9, flying through this insurance mini-series. I hope y'all have enjoyed it so far. It's been a lot of fun to make and to put together. This insurance mini-series is being presented by your friends at Paragon Roofing in Nashville, and my name's Taylor. Let's get busy. Alternative dispute resolution. This is what matters when your claim is denied or underpaid. What do I do? I think I'm supposed to have coverage for this. The insurance company's not telling me anything that I want to hear. What avenues do we have to settle this dispute? What alternative dispute resolution is available to homeowners when they're facing a denied claim? So unfortunately, some carriers, even if you have losses, are just going to flat out refuse to pay the claim. But thankfully, you have next steps that you can take, but make sure that you stay proactive when it comes to a denied claim because, again, delay, deny, defend, Google it, check that book out. In there, it goes over all of these type of tactics here. So make sure that you stay proactive because you have options when a claim is denied. It's not the end of the road. It's just saying for right now, we disagree, but in this episode, I'm going to show you some different avenues you can take to settle these disputes. So the first one is moving forward with your right to appraisal. This is going to be dependent on policy and policy language. Some states, it's the policyholder is able to demand an appraisal and that kicks everything off. Other states, different policies, it's got to be agreed upon where the insurance company and the insured decide that they're going to go into an appraisal. But an appraisal is just a process where both sides appoint an appraiser to settle those disputes. And then when that appraisal process is done, you hire an appraiser, the insurance company hires an appraiser. These two individuals get together and agree on an umpire. This is a third party that's unbiased. And if these two can't settle the dispute between the two of them, they will present their findings to this umpire and the umpire will make the final ruling. So with the appraisal process, this is great when you're disagreeing over the amount of a loss. Invoking appraisal can be a great option here. And there's actually a few states where the state courts have ruled that a difference in scope is a disagreement in price, so that allows insureds to be able to go through the appraisal process even if the main difference is a scope of work, because the way that the courts look at it, at least in the state of Tennessee, is if we have a difference in scope, it's going to result in a difference in pricing. Hiring a public adjuster. I'm licensed as a public adjuster. I've used it a handful of times, but I mainly got that license just to understand these processes and how they work so I can better serve my customers. So a public adjuster is a licensed professional hired by the policyholder to advocate for them and to be able to settle and negotiate the claim on their behalf. So the benefits of a public adjuster is PAs understand insurance policies, or should, and they can help maximize the claim payout to get you everything that you are owed. So they're able to go through and help with the negotiations and also help if the insurance company has been acting in bad faith. That's usually when attorneys need to get involved, is when the insurance company has started to just teeter on that bad faith line. So definitely consult with some local attorneys in your area if that's something that you're struggling with. But the benefits of attorneys are they can apply that legal pressure and pursue potential litigation if it needs to come to that. And so you have to make sure if the insurance company is sending an attorney out, that's a whole nother training in and of itself. But engineers are able to be hired by you and they can conduct their own tests to help support those claims and have a PE stamp on there. And then enhanced testing, this could be different things like desaturation testing where they'll remove the asphalt and actually analyze the shingle to show that it's been impacted and it's not just normal wear and tear or blisters or anything like that. So you have so many options if your claim's denied. So don't give up. Look at the appraisal process. Look at possibly hiring a public adjuster. If you need to go legal, get an attorney involved, or consider some enhanced testings or getting your own engineer involved. And so don't let the denial be the end of your claim. You have options. Thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you on the next one.